Hello students. Now we'll discuss example on Poisson distribution. In a Poisson distribution, as we all know, the mean mu will be same as m, where m is nothing but n into p. Variance will remain same as m, so mean and variance of Poisson distribution are equal. Standard deviation will be root m. Then probability of x for as per the Poisson will be e raised to minus m raised to x divided by x factorial. Now we'll take one example of construction of Poisson distribution. As per the example, it is number of accidents per day will be taken as x as recorded in the textile industry over a period of 400 days. That is given here. So x remains a number of accidents. So 0 accident, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accidents of in a textile industry where the calculation is taken for 400 days. Fit a Poisson distribution for the data and calculate the theoretical frequency f. So theoretical frequency to be calculated for this one. So let us see what it is. First, we have to take a Poisson distribution. So as we have the Poisson distribution is nothing but p of x is equal to e raised to minus m raised to x divided by x factorial. This is a Poisson distribution here. But to calculate the example where the number of x is given, f is given and 400 days are given. So 400 is nothing but n, where n is equal to 400. Okay, so n is equal to 400. So what exactly we need to calculate this? M is not given. What is m? M is nothing but mean. In this example you can observe mean is not mentioned. So that has to be calculated. How do you calculate mean? Mean can be calculated and mean is nothing but n into p, no doubt. But here p is also not given. Probability of success, that is not mentioned in this example. So it is quite difficult to calculate mean here. If probability of success is given, then no problem, that p will be taken as n into probability of success into n will be equal to m. That can be taken directly. But here probability of success is also not mentioned. So in such condition, these are the special initial cases where we can take mean by using this formula. That is nothing but mean will be equal to m. That can be taken as f summation of fx divided by summation of f. What is summation of fx? Fx is nothing but f into x. So it is 0 into 173 will be 0 plus 1 into 168 will be 168. Then 2 into 37 will be 74 plus 3 into 18 will be 54 plus 4 into 3 will be 12 plus 5 into 1 will be 5 divided by summation of f. Summation of f means addition of all these columns. 173 plus 168 plus 37 plus 18 plus 3 plus 1. If you add all together, they become 400. And we know that it is calculated for 400 days. Okay, 400 days means n is equal to 400. That is already taken. Okay, so this is 400. If you calculate this, then we will be getting m is equal to, if you add and if you calculate this overall thing, then it becomes 0.7825. So m is equal to 0.7825. Then we need to go for Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution p of x is equal to, already we have taken this Poisson distribution. In this Poisson distribution, let us substitute the value of m. Then that m becomes, Poisson distribution is e raised to minus m raised to x divided by x factorial, which is nothing but m is equal to 0.7825. Therefore it becomes e raised to minus 0.7825 into 0.7825 that raised to x divided by x factorial. Then here let us know what is the meaning of what is the value of e raised to minus 0.7825 which is going to be calculated. Through calci, if we calculate e raised to minus 7825, that becomes 0.4573. 0.4573. Therefore, p of x becomes e raised, the value of this is 0.4573, that into 0.7825 raised to x divided by x factorial. So this is the value of p of x. In this, if you keep on substituting the value of x, we will be getting the results. But one thing we need to remember, what we are going to calculate. In the example, whether they asked us to find the probability of the something or something other than that is given, something number of terms are asked. Here they asked calculate the frequency. Calculate the frequency means it is number of terms. Therefore, let us take that is f of x. What is f of x? All the time f of x will be n times p of x. What is n here? 400. So that into p of x. We know what is p of x here. So this becomes the result for f of x, what we need to calculate. Therefore, f of x is equal to 400 into p of x. What is p of x? This result, that is 0.4573 into 0.7825 raised to x divided by x factorial, which is nothing but, if we calculate 0.4573 into this, it becomes around 182.9. Then it is 0.7825 raised to x divided by x factorial. Means now just keep on replacing the value of x. What value of x given? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, put x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this equation to get frequency, to get the value of f of x, that is nothing but frequency. Okay, so let us put x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 is substituted, then f of 0, that becomes the calculation. If you put it here in this example, then it becomes f of 0 is equal to 182.9 into raised to 0. So that is 0.7825 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial. That is 182.9 into anything raised to 0 is 1 divided by 0 factorial is 1. Therefore it is 182.9, which is approximately equal to 183. Similarly, put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1 in this case, then it becomes f of 1 is equal to 182.9 into 0.7825 that raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial. 1 factorial is equal to 1. Then 0.7825 raised to 1 will be 0.7825, that into 182.9. If we calculate, then that becomes 143. Okay, this is f of 1. Next, put x is equal to 2. Then it becomes f of 2 is equal to 182.9 into 0.7825 the square divided by 2 factorial. If we calculate this, it becomes 56. This is f of 2. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 3, then this will be f of 3 is equal to 182.9 into 0.7825 cube divided by 3 factorial. That becomes 15. Then put next result, that is 4. X is equal to 4. Then it becomes f of 4 is equal to 182.9 into 0.7825 raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial. That is equal to 3. Similarly, we take x is equal to 5, then f of I is equal to 182.9 into 0.7825 raised to 5 divided by 5 factorial. If we calculate this, which becomes 0. Therefore, the required frequencies are, the required theoretical frequencies are, for 0 it is 183, and for 1 it is 143, next for 2 it is 56, for 3 it is 15, for 4 it is 3, and for 5 it is 0. These are the theoretical frequencies. Just compare these frequencies with this. So instead of 173 observed frequency, theoretical frequency is 183. For 168 observed frequency, theoretical frequency is 143, and theoretical frequency is 56, whereas observed is 37, and where observed is 18, for that it is 15, where the observed is 3, for that it is 3, where the observed is 1, where it is theoretical is 0. So this is the calculation part. Thank you.